Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we are going to start my Project Pan 20 in 20 because I'm always late and I want to just try and hit pan on some things. I've hit pan I want to try and use up and all that. But I'm going to walk you through this based on you know, how I put my makeup on. So the first thing I want to talk about is my foundation, my under eye stuff, you know, all the stuff that we don't talk about. Alright, so the first thing I have is this NARS primer, and it is going to fare well with the foundation I have. I also am going to switch out between that and this e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist. This is my Becca. This is that under eye brightening stuff. I've got a ways to go on that, but I would like to use that up just because it's getting old. I would like to use up my foundation here. I suspect I'm about that far down into it, but we will see. So the other thing that I want to hit pan on is my this Marc Jacobs Tantastic. So as you can see, I have a little bit of a dent in it, but it's packed, so it's pretty set in stone. Then I have a blush and two highlighters I want to use up because they're both, oh I'm sorry, before the first thing first is this Becca under eye correcting. It's like the anti-aging under eye. And then I do have some Kat Von D concealer I'd like to use up, and then this No More Needles bags under your eyes thing, but I digress. I did put a second foundation in here, this Clinique, just in case I want to wear something lighter, and I think I have another primer in here. I do. This is Invisiblur from Murad. And they are like, she's already pulled out like everything. What else does she have in there? I got a lot. Alright, so I just want to hit pan on this here blush, just because I want to hit pan on a blush. This is probably going to need to be repressed. This is my Mary Lou Luminizer, and that was my Melba from MAC. So how many products is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And little girl. Something like that. It's not my day. Not my day. So, and then I have also the Zuma and Cali Glow from Persona. I have hit pan on this, but I would like to finish it up as well. Then as a setting powder, I have my Patrick Star, and it's probably halfway used. And then I want to use up one of my Color Pops. This is Puppy Love. It's like a little topper. And then I have this. This is the the gold, mini gold from Natasha Denona. I want to hit pan on some of this. So, and then I have a mascara I'd like to finish up because I want to buy a new one. And then I have this as a eyeshadow. And then I have two setting sprays, one from Milani, and this other one from IWM Beauty. IWM Beauty. I don't know. This one's almost gone. It's kind of a cheat, but it isn't. Do you hear me? It isn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Something's missing. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right on the nose, 20. So yeah, so those are the things I'm going to focus on. Really my everyday stuff. And then I'm going to also do a pan matte palette. So, and I think I'm going to start with one of the very first palettes. I'm either going to use my Urban Decay Naked, or I'm going to use one of my Too Faced palettes. The very first palette I got was actually the Too Faced Peanut Butter palette. Like palette. No, I might have had a Smashbox. I had a couple of Smashbox for then, but I don't have them anymore. So, yeah, I'm just trying to use up some stuff. You know, not making any waves here. Just trying to use up some of our things, make room for other things, because we've got so much stuff. So, starting tomorrow, today is April. It's not April, Susan. I must be thinking my sister. April. It is the end of July, so I'll be starting on like July 29th, something like that. So we will get started on that and see how far we get. We'll come back and update at the end of each month, and we'll see what my progress is. So I just wanted to let you guys know what products I was starting off with and what they look like and what my goals were. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Love you so much.